everyone, it's Joanna here. So I hit the gym 3 to 4 times a week, and it's been a while since I last shared my gym routine with you. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite exercises to target the entire body. There will be a total of 4 supersets. So we will be working on our legs, our back, chest, shoulders, as well as our core. Basically all the major muscles. And this workout is great to increase your strength, to tone up, to build lean muscle mass, as well as to burn fat. And it will take you roughly between 45 minutes to 60 minutes to complete all the exercises. So let's get started. Before you start your training, always remember to perform a quick 5 to 10 minutes of warm-up, okay? You can do dynamic stretches. So after you warm up, then start your training. So for the first superset, we'll be focusing on your legs as well as your glutes. There will be 2 exercises and we want to perform them back to back without any rest in between. The first exercise will be a Smith machine squat followed by in and out jump squat. I'm going to load up my weights. So for the first set, you can start off slightly lighter, okay? All right. And we want to aim for 3 to 4 sets. So this is a Smith machine squat. If you don't have a Smith machine, you can always do a barbell squat as well. So remember to point your toes forward, shoulder width apart or slightly wider than shoulder width apart. And let's go for 15. Breathe in as you go down and breathe out. Good. Push your butt back, keeping your chest up. Last 2 reps. And done. Okay, straight on to in and out jump squat. All right, I'm also going to grab a 10 kilo barbell, okay? Right, let's go. So this is the plyo movement to increase fat burn. 15 reps. Remember to keep your knees soft. Squat low and keep breathing. Okay, right, now take a 1-minute break, okay? So that is 1 full set. And we want to repeat at least 2 to 3 more sets. So for the second set, if you are feeling strong and you can push more than 15 reps, then you want to add on a little bit more weights, okay? All right. Second set. It's heavier, so let's aim for 12 to 15 reps, okay? So feet placement, let's go. Go slow down, push it up. Don't rush through the movement. That's 3, 2 more. And straight onto in and out jump squat. All right, with or without the barbell. I know legs are on fire, glutes are burning. You can go slow, but do not stop. That's the kind of burn we want. Last one. Oh, okay. Oh, my heart rate is going crazy. So fat burning is not just about doing cardio exercises, okay? Strength training is also extremely effective to bring your heart rate up and also to burn fat. So remember to combine strength training and also your HIIT workouts. take a short break. And we want to do set number 3 and the 4th one. So we've worked on our legs as well as our glutes. The second superset, we want to focus on your back muscles, all right? So again, there will be 2 exercises. The first exercise will be a lat pull down using the cable machine, and the second exercise will be a reverse grip bent over row. Are we ready? Let's go. So choose your suitable weight. Hold on to the bar, make sure that it's a wide grip. Pull it down. Remember to keep your chest up and drive the bar down towards your chest, squeezing your lats. Release all the way, pull and squeeze. So again, control as you release. Okay, right, straight onto reverse grip barbell row. All right, so grip with your palms facing up. Remember to keep your knees bent. Lift the barbell straight up, okay? Hinge from your waist and pull it up. So this workout will work more on the mid back as well as your lower back. That's 2 more. Okay, take a short 1-minute break. Second set. If you're feeling strong, remember to add on the weight, okay? Try to add a little bit of weight in every set. And as you increase the weight, then you can reduce your reps. So instead of aiming for 15 reps, you can drop it to 12 reps and eventually 8 reps. Remember that for strength training, it's really important to increase the weight, okay? Let's go. Set number 2. Check your position, hands. Release all the way and squeeze. Squeeze, slow up and squeeze. Good. Last 2 more. 1 more. And okay, straight into barbell row. If, however, you feel that the weights are just right, it's not too light, it's not too heavy, then don't add on any more weights, okay? Up, keep your back flat. So this is going to be the 3rd superset, where we'll be focusing on our chest as well as our shoulders. The first workout is going to be an incline dumbbell press, followed by a push-up with shoulder press. So adjust your bench to a 45-degree angle, okay? Push both dumbbells straight up, straight above your chest, slowly lower it down, and press it up. Whew. So keeping the dumbbells as stable as possible, and as you push up, use the strength from your chest. Driving your elbows out to the side and down. Okay. Straight onto the next exercise, push up with shoulder press. So grab a lighter pair of dumbbells, okay? Push up, jump in, straight into shoulder press. So this is a dynamic movement. It's going to increase fat burning as well. Press it straight up, back down. Remember to try to go as low as you can in your push-up, or you can also get onto your knees. Working on your chest and working on your shoulders. Take a short rest. As you can see, the first exercise is always a much more controlled movement, whereas for the second exercise, it's more dynamic to increase fat burn. So this is the kind of supersets we want in order to work on your strength as well as to burn calories. And we want to aim for at least 3 to 4 sets for each superset. For women, usually we tend to focus more on our upper chest because we want to make our chest appear fuller. Right, so let's move on to the second set. Grab your dumbbells, making sure that you push the dumbbells straight up and spread it out. Are we ready? 12 to 15 reps. Press it straight up. Okay, making sure that the dumbbells are directly above your chest. Not too low, not too high. Look straight at your dumbbells. And remember, control the movements down and up. Good. Last 2. And let's go. Straight onto the next exercise. Right. Push up, straight into shoulder press. I know this is not an easy workout. Let's keep pushing. Feel the work on your chest. Whew. Last 2 more. One more. Oh my gosh. Okay. That is the end of your third superset, okay? 2 more sets, take a short rest, and we have 1 last superset to go. So we want to end each training session with some core exercises. So the final superset will be a declined ab crunch with hanging leg raises. Use a declined bench in the gym and just place your legs right here. And remember, the strength should come from your abs, not from your hips or your legs, okay? So just keep them relaxed. Go down and just crunch up. Control down and up. There you go. Remember, don't just collapse. Down, out. Feel the work on your upper abs, okay? And by now, you should feel extremely tired. Last few more. Down. One more. Right. Straight onto hanging leg raises. So let's end your training with this exercise. Hanging leg raises, okay? Just gently grip onto the handles. Release your legs. You can either choose to crunch your knees up, feel the work on your lower abs, or if you're feeling strong, keep your legs straight, lift it straight up. Again, breathe out as you drive both legs up. Oh my gosh! Whew. I can feel my lower abs, my upper abs. Short break, and we want to complete another 2 to 3 more sets to end today's training session, okay? So that is the end of my strength training routine. I love to do supersets because you can get more work done in a short period of time. And I've burned more calories than I would if I were to do steady pace cardio. So remember that in order to burn fat, it is not just about doing cardio exercises, but rather it's about including strength training into your routine because it will help you to boost your metabolism, increase muscle mass, which will help you to burn more calories throughout the day. So the next time you're in the gym, be sure to add this routine into your workout and let me know how you felt in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what other workouts would you like to see more of. And I will see you in my next video. All the best!